For sale today is a 2460 Southwest Industries Proto-Track lathe. This lathe features a 4-inch 90,000 spindle bore. It's going to come with a 12-inch 3-jaw, a 4-jaw chuck. I have 17 soft jaws. One of them's pie jaws, the other ones are machinable soft jaws. It's got a 2-speed tailstock. It's got a 4-position programmable tool post, coolant, number 5 Morris taper, and the tailstock, very good condition. Here, we'll run this program for you. It features constant surface feed. You can see the ways are in really nice condition. All the oil galleys have been cleaned and flushed. Coolant tank has been cleaned. This machine features tracking, so we can go up here and we can stop our program. We can go in here and hit tracking, and at this point we can use our hand wheels to run it through the program. So say we got scared and we didn't think it was going to clear something, we can back the thing back up, or we can run it back forward, or we can back it up, and then at any point we can hit stop again, hit CNC run, we hit go, goes right back to what it's doing. Here it's taking its rough cut for the profile. After it gets through there, we have finish cut is going to be programmed with the tool changer number 3 position. Here we are, position 1. Machine will turn, go back home, index, come right back in, and we're going to finish our finish cut on it. Same with this. Anytime we want to stop this, we could go right back into tracking. After you verify your program's good, just go right back up, hit CNC run, and it'll run through it. I do also have the post or the block so you can mount a Loris style tool post on it. It's a block with a T-slot. Doesn't come with the Loris tool post. We have all the manuals with the machine, tailstock wrench. You've got a chuck key. You've got the key for the tool post. Got a stop that's going to go in the spindle, remote stop go, all the books. You've got the book for the frequency drive, also the CD to program it if you needed to. Our high speeds, well, low is 40 by 670, high speed is 100 by 1800. If you have any other questions about this track lathe or any other tool room equipment, give Brandon at Varney Machine a call. Thanks for watching my video.